Hello and welcome back. This is the fourth video in the series on top 30 advanced techniques in pivot table. We have seen many techniques in the previous three videos. So here we are going to see another 5 advanced techniques in pivot table. If you have not watched the previous video, kindly go through the links given in the description below. This pivot table shows the data as the value here. That means Andrew has a sale of 2000 and Eric has a sale of 640. But we don't know what is the percentage of sales of Andrew against the total sales. In pivot table, we can easily show the sales by percentage. Just right click on the amount here and go to show value as, and here there are multiple options. If I want to see the sales percentage against the total for the year, so that is year is shown as a column here, so I can go and choose the percentage of column total. That means here the total sales for the year is 100% here, and Andrew has a 31% share in this 2013 sales, and similarly Eric has 9.88, Ivan has 14.77. So all the years you can see the contribution of each salesperson, and the total grand total you can see total sales for all these years by Andrew, that is 25% of the total sales. If you look at here 2013, he has a sale of 31% against total sales, but when it comes to 2014, his sales has decreased. It is only 15%, again 25% like that. So you can do the comparison very easily for each salesperson against other salesperson or the total sales. And also you can see the same sales against the row total. Here we are getting the percentage of sales for each year for salesperson. In 2013, he had a 46% of the total sales he has made across all the years. Similarly, if you look at Sandra, she had 16% sale of the total sales in 2013. That means she had a very good sales in 2015. So this is the percentage against the row total. Similarly, if I want to see the percentage of contribution by each person against the total sales, if I come back here and show value as the grand total. So this is the grand total here. So if you take grand total as 100%, that means Andrew has 11% sales in 2013 in total sales. Similarly, he had a sale of 4.49% in 2016. This is how, with the percentage, you can easily compare the sales with different salesperson and the year. This pivot table shows the sales amount by salesperson for each year. Suppose if I want to see the sales for each product and for the salesperson, if I want to filter this sales by each product, I can add that product into the filter field, and I can filter each product here, or if I can filter by banana or whatever, so it gives you the data. There is another option where you can have a visual filter, that is called slicer in pivot table. So when you are on the pivot table, go to Analyze tab and here click on Insert Slicer. It pops up with all the fields available. So what we want is the product. You can select multiple fields as well. So I just selected product only here. So you can have multiple slicer. Slicer nothing but is a visual filter. So I'll click OK here. So it shows you the product slicer or filter. So I can choose whichever product I want to. So this is how you can filter it. Suppose if I want multiple products, I can press the control button and select the product and leave the control button. So it will show you the sales for each year for the selected product. And this can be formatted. So here I can format this. Now by default it's showing some color. If I don't want this color, so I can change this to different colors or formatting. So, and also this is now showing only one column, so I can increase this number of columns here, so that you can make use of the space better. Or if I want width I can reduce, or width I can increase here, height, width, etc. So this is how you can have a visual filter to filter the items. In the previous example, we have seen how to insert the visual filter or the slicer like this. In addition to slicer, we can also insert a timeline filter. So go to Analyze and here Insert Timeline. When I go to the Insert Slicer, it is showing me all the fields here. But if I go to the Insert Timeline, it will show you the fields which is of date type. So here only one field we have, that is date. So if you have multiple dates, it would have displayed here. Now only the date is available. I'll click on date and click OK. So it is going to display here the date timeline. So I can convert this to month or year or quarter. So I can just make it say quarter here. So I can choose whichever quarter I want. So Q1, Q2, Q3, 4 of 2015. So that means say 15 and 16 only displayed here. If you look at this data, so this is filter. Or if I want only 2016 Q1 to 17, so I can select as well. So or I can select from here. So if I want only the years here, so I can choose the years. And if I say 2013, only 13 is displayed, and 2014, and just drag and select it. So this is displaying 15 and 16. There is no data for 17. And here as well. Here for 13 and 14. So this is how you can have a timeline as well. And here there is a month also. And you can choose different months. And there is a days. So you can choose the dates. So this is January 2013, 27th. This is from 27 January 2013 till February 8th. This is the sales. This is how you can filter the data for a date range. So this is a pivot table for year-wise sales by each product. When you save this pivot table, the size of the file will be big if you have a lot of data. Suppose if you have thousands of rows, maybe 10,000 or 100,000 rows of data, so this will be a big file and you cannot send it by email to someone. So in that case, what you can do is right click, go to pivot table options, and here under data you have the option to uncheck this. That means it is not going to save the source data with this pivot table, and press OK. So here it prompts with the data will not be saved with other pivot table reports using the same source data at this report. So press OK here. That means when you send this report to someone else, they can only see this pivot table, not its source data. In this pivot table, you can see the size of the item is a big, extra big, etc. And this is the count of the items. If I want to sort this item based on the size, say like small should be at the top, then the medium, then the big and extra big. Normal sort doesn't work. If I do sort by say A to Z, then big is coming at the top, then the extra big, medium, small, etc. So if I do in the descending, then also that's not proper. So in this scenario, we have to do a custom sort. Custom sort is nothing but we are giving the Excel the list of item in a certain order, and we are asking Excel to sort it in this order. First, we will create a custom list. So go to File, Options, and under Advanced, so go to the end of the list here and go to Edit Custom List. Here already there is a inbuilt list from Excel which is all grade. You cannot alter or delete. And if you come here, this is a custom list which I created, and there is one more custom list here, the departments, etc. for certain work I have created. And here I will select new list and I'll go here and choose the list here. This is the list which I want to import, and click on import. So this gets added to this list as a custom list. I'll click OK here and OK again. And now I'll come here to the sort and I'll go to the more sort options and click on more options. Here I will uncheck the auto sort, and in this list I can find that list which I added. So small, medium, big, extra big, etc. And I'll click OK here. So now it is the big is at the top and extra big and medium, small, etc. I'll click OK here and again OK. So this is going to sort in the way we want, like small at the top, then medium, big and extra big. This is how you can sort the item based on your list. Hope this video is useful to you. Kindly put your comments, and also if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications on new videos. Thank you for your time and meet you in the next video.